Hey everybody, Mark here from ourbestidea.com. Okay, we're going to sign up if you haven't already to canva.com, canva.com. And once you sign up, you can head inside and we'll be back here in a minute. Pause the video if you haven't signed up. Okay, so we'll just check around here. Always good to model off something that's already doing well. So you can check out on trending YouTube here and just kind of look to see what pops out at you, what thumbnail really pops out. These guys are Brandon here, the Tonight Show you see in the corner, and same again with colors, size of font. This one pops out, animated. Using face pick is good at some, depending on what you're doing. Again, there's Jimmy Kimmel's branding that out. You go down and you can check out a couple other things here, whatever you think. Another place to check out is if you're doing any kind of work like on SkillShare, for example. You want to go to their all classes and check out again which thumbnail kind of pops out at you, what works, what doesn't work. And don't forget the size here. They're also smaller, but this is kind of like the average size for things. So, you know, you check this one, looks nice with the colors and goes out, where this one is okay, but because you have a white background, you got to remember what kind of background you're going on. So your color here, this would either have a border, would pop out better, and or a different color background like this one here. And this guy, he does a lot of stuff, and he just puts white over top of his image, but he's already kind of branded. This one here kind of gets lost because the background is good, but you can't really read what it's about. So you got to kind of take all that in consideration. And okay, so let's just pop over to YouTube because it's a good idea to get all the technical info out of the way from them. And if you go down here, you can see custom thumbnails, give you the image size and resolutions. And even on Skillshare, wherever else you're looking for a thumbnail for videos, YouTube, etc., they want to have the resolution here, 1280 by 720, and they give you the minimum width. And upload, I would recommend ping, and they say under 2 megabyte limit, so good to keep in mind if you're adding a lot of stuff on there. All right, your assignment at the end of this is sign up at canva.com, check out SkillShare YouTube, and choose a thumbnail you like and one you think will pops out at you, so get your attention to model after. Up next, step 2. Let's get started.